Hi, Adeyemi Oluwasemise. Alright, you quickly want to talk about this $50 stuff and how you can, and the system that you can use to turn it to $500 and above. Alright, I decided to show these accounts to you guys because when one is talking, especially internet marketer, people do think they are liars. They just want to collect people's sweat money. No, it's not like that. Especially myself, if I never try something and I never give it to someone to use, I will not say you should come and try it out. I have used the $50 to earn a lot, but this account is not even mine. It's from one of my subscribers. Okay, it's the guy asked me not to show his name. That is why I don't want to show his name. But this is his own account. All right. The system that I taught him is the one that I want to discover and disclose to you now, cover to you now. The system that this guy is using is the same system that I want to teach you here. All right. So this guy, he got his own $50 credited into his own account. All right. He got his own $50 credited into his own account. You can see here the guy did not have any available withdrawal because he just withdrew some money that he has made. You can see he just withdrew 102. He said anytime he make above $100, he would like to be withdrawing it and continue his trade. Okay, now see, let me quickly show you this thing. Can you see? So the guy just withdrew 102. He just withdrew 102 from his account. Okay, the guy just withdrew 102. So he said he will continue and be trading. So the thing is working. I have many guys like this. I'm just showing you this one as a case study. I have many people like that have been using it and they are making something from it. So I don't want to hear it's not working for me or I lose the money. The thing is actually working. It's actually working, and the system that I want to teach you that you'll be using to work around it is perfect and very simple. Even if you are a newbie, it's perfect and simple. So that is it, guys. And some people, the reason why I decided to do this offer is because some people do call me that they want to do business, but there is no money, there is no this, there is no that. That is why I decided. Okay, that's why I decided to uncover this and teach you guys on how you can make money with this. Right, so that is it. Now the next thing you are going to do now is to sign up to the broker that you want to use. Okay, so let me just get the link. Alright, so this link is inside the video that I sent to you. So just copy it. Once you copy it, then paste it to your browser and you will see $50 link bonus. Okay, so the link is already with the the packet that I sent to you. Alright, so now I said get 50. So this is the website. So you just type that. So this is the link to sign up. So all you need to do is just to click on. All you need to do is just click on get bonus. Click receive $50 bonus. Then they ask you to sign up here. They ask you to sign up. this website, they actually get a different like $123 bonus, but the condition behind this one is something else. So you can try it later, but make sure that you use this $50 on. That is the one I can only recommend that you can withdraw anytime. Okay, or you can also try this 123 later. You can open the 2 accounts. What I want, the only one I want to talk about is this $50 on. So they will ask you to enter your name. So like for example, let me enter name Washington, then the email address, so you enter your email address. So you click on open. Now click on open accounts. Alright, so they will generate passwords for you. So this is the password that they generate. So you can be using the password. Then if you like, you can enter new password, alright, that you would like to be using to log into your account. So now so after you have done this, they said you have opened $50 bonus account. So later, remember, you are still going to download MetaTrader 4, something we are calling MetaTrader 4. Okay, so you are going to download that. So how will you see that one? So make sure that you copy this thing and save it somewhere. Make sure that you copy it and save it somewhere. All right, copy that information. Copy that information and save somewhere. Alright, then you now click on MetaTrader 4. I have one on my laptop, so I'm unable to download this one. So just click on it. Once you click on it, then go to where you download it to, and double click on just install it. So once you install it, so you will see that MetaTrader 4 on your, you see the logo on your desktop. Just go straight to your desktop, you see this logo. All right, meanwhile, they never give you, so after you've done that, you now need to go scroll down and go to account setting, because they never credit you that $50 until they say you are from Nigeria. Any country you are from, just say yes. Okay, so now they said bonus is credited, but they never give you that money. You're not able to use, so you cannot trade. Can you see? They've already credited, but you cannot trade. Why? Because your account has not been confirmed. So the first thing you need to do here, you need to confirm your email. So you log into the email address that you just used to sign in, I mean to register your account. You go there, they will send you a link, confirmation link. So just go there, click on that link, so and it will be confirmed. Then here you click on confirm phone number. Enter your phone number, the phone number that you can use right now to receive message. Enter the number here, then click on get code. They will send you code to your phone, so you enter that code back and okay, to confirm. So that once that one has been confirmed, then they will now ask you to confirm your identity, so that nobody will be able to what do I call it, to withdraw the money that you are earning. So nobody will be able to withdraw it. So it's only you that will have access to that. So if you want to verify this, they said please verify email first. Okay, until you verify the email, but I don't want to do that here, because I'm just using this one as a case, for the purpose of this tutorial. Okay, so now once you, so they will now ask you to upload either they ask you to upload either international passports or voters card, voters card or national identity card. So in anyone, national identity card, national ID card, or driver's license. Okay, or driver's license. So I believe that you must have one out of these 4. So once you upload that, immediately, within 24 hours anyway, so they will approve your account. Once they approve your account, so they will now be able to use the money to trade. That's when you'll be able to use the money to trade. You need to verify your account. Without verifying your account, you won't be able to use the money that they credited you to trade. So once you do that, that's all about this account opening or no account opening. All right. So, but remember that I told you that the information that you copied the other time, this information, the account when you are registering, when you registered. So make sure that you keep that information, because that is what you are going to use to log into your MetaTrader 4. Okay, the MetaTrader 4 that you install. So that is about that. So now let's move on. So you don't have anything to do here except you want to log in to this account and withdraw your money and withdraw your earning. Okay, so everything you've been doing now is in that what do we call it, MetaTrader 4. That is where you'll be doing everything now. So you don't have anything to do with this one again. So in the next video we move down to MetaTrader 4. I told you that by this time you'll have installed your MetaTrader 4. You downloaded it. So then where you download it to, for example, now let me go to my own download here. Let me go to my own download here. All right, can you see? This is where I download mine. So this, when you go to your download, this is what you will see there. So what you need to do is just to double click it. Once you double click it, so follow the instruction. Very simple. Just follow the instruction. All right, follow the instruction, then it will get installed into your desktop. You cannot use phone to trade, please. You cannot use phone to trade this. You can only use laptop. You can only use PC. You cannot use phone. All right, so you see this icon on your PC. All right, so let's move down to in the next video. So let's meet me in the next video. So and let's move down to how you will start getting signals and pick your trade and earning cool cash. Thank you very much. I remain yours, Adeyemi Oluwaseun.